If you've got a sweet tooth but still want quick, easy treats for work, you're in the right place. Today I'm sharing simple sweet bites you can prep in minutes, from no-bake treats to quick bakes and fruity snacks. Perfect for adding a little joy to your lunch break. In this segment, there is no baking, just 5-minute treats. Let's start. Here's how to make chocolate strawberry energy bites. Mix oats, nut butter, crushed freeze-dried strawberries, and dark chocolate chips. Roll into balls and chill. It's sweet, portable, and satisfying. Next, we'll make cookie dough Greek yogurt. Stir together plain Greek yogurt, peanut butter, honey or stevia, and dark chocolate chips. It's creamy, protein-packed, and tastes like dessert. Now for frozen berry yogurt. Blend yogurt, frozen berries, and a drizzle of honey. Freeze for 30 to 60 minutes for a cool, refreshing treat. Next, we'll make ants on a log. First, wash the celery thoroughly and pat it dry. Slice the ribs into 3 to 4 inch lengths. Add the mud. Spread peanut butter into the hollow U-shaped part of each celery stick. Add the ants. Press the raisins gently into the peanut butter in a line to represent ants marching. Serve, enjoy immediately, or store in the refrigerator until ready to serve. Now, for chocolate chia pudding, mix chia seeds, milk, and cocoa powder. Let sit overnight for a rich, healthy pudding packed with omega-3 salts. Now for making simple baked batch goodies. For banana bread bites, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease a loaf pan. Mash bananas with a fork until mostly smooth. Stir melted butter, brown sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract into the mashed bananas until well combined. Add flour, baking soda, and salt to the wet mixture. Stir until just combined. Do not overmix it. Gently fold in any nuts or chocolate chips. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Bake for 50 to 60 minutes. The bread is done when a toothpick comes out clean. Let the bread cool, then remove it from the pan and place it on a wire rack to cool completely. Next, peanut butter cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Combine peanut butter, sugar, and egg in a bowl and mix until smooth. Roll dough into 1-inch balls and place them on the baking sheet. Use a fork to flatten each ball with a crisscross pattern. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are firm. Allow cookies to cool on the baking sheet. Now you can also make these fruit and yogurt combos. First, yogurt with honey and cinnamon. Simple, sweet, and comforting. Next, frozen fruit sticks. Freeze fruit on skewers with a squeeze of lime for a refreshing snack. Then, apple slices with nut butter. Sweet, crunchy, and filling. And finally, chocolate-covered dates. Dip dates in melted chocolate for a quick 2-ingredient treat. Here's a tip for sweet work snacks. Prep ahead. Batch muffins or bites on the weekend. Store smart. Use airtight containers to keep treats fresh. Keep cool. Use an ice pack for yogurt or creamy snacks. Balance energy. Pair sweets with protein to avoid crashes. Sweet snacks don't have to be complicated. Just a little prep can make your work lunches feel like a treat. If you want more easy lunch ideas, hit like and subscribe for more tasty inspiration every week.